Natural light can transform a home, making rooms feel brighter, more open, and more inviting. However, homeowners often worry that adding larger windows will lead to harsh glare or uncomfortable brightness. Picture windows offer a smart solution by maximizing daylight while maintaining visual comfort. For homeowners in Coppell, picture windows provide a balanced way to enjoy more natural light without creating glare issues inside the home. Why picture windows are ideal for natural light? Picture windows are fixed windows designed with large, uninterrupted glass panels. Because they don't include opening mechanisms or thick framing, they allow more glass surface than many other window styles. In Coppell homes, this expansive glass captures daylight efficiently, allowing sunlight to spread evenly throughout the room. The result is brighter interiors without the sharp contrast often associated with smaller or poorly placed windows. Even light distribution throughout the day. One of the main reasons picture windows enhance light without increasing glare is how they distribute sunlight. Instead of directing light into a single area, picture windows spread it across the room. Coppell homeowners often notice that rooms feel naturally illuminated rather than overly bright. Light enters gently, reducing harsh reflections on floors, furniture, and screens. Reducing harsh shadows and contrast glare is often caused by extreme contrast between bright sunlight and darker interior surfaces. Picture windows help minimize this contrast by allowing daylight to flow evenly into the space. In Coppell living areas, this creates a more comfortable visual environment. Rooms feel balanced and easier on the eyes, making them ideal for everyday activities such as reading, working, or relaxing. Strategic placement enhances comfort. Placement plays an important role in glare control. Picture windows can be positioned to capture consistent daylight without exposing interiors to direct, harsh sunlight. Coppell homeowners benefit from thoughtful placement that enhances brightness while maintaining comfort. Proper positioning allows light to enter at favorable angles, reducing the chance of glare during peak daylight hours. Enhancing natural light without overpowering the space. Large windows don't have to overwhelm a room. Picture windows provide generous light while maintaining a clean, simple appearance that blends with the interior design. In Coppell homes, picture windows enhance brightness without dominating the space. Their streamlined design allows light to shine without distracting visual elements. Supporting comfortable living spaces. Rooms with balanced lighting feel more comfortable and usable throughout the day. Picture windows help create environments that are bright yet calming. Coppell homeowners often find that living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms feel more inviting when natural light is abundant but controlled. Picture windows help achieve this balance effortlessly. Improving visibility without eye strain. Excessive glare can cause eye strain, especially in spaces used for reading or screen-based activities. Picture windows reduce this risk by providing soft, diffused light. In Coppell homes, this improves comfort in home offices and family rooms, allowing homeowners to enjoy daylight without visual discomfort. Enhancing interior design with natural light. Natural light enhances colors, textures, and architectural details. Picture windows allow daylight to highlight interior decor naturally. For Coppell homeowners, this means interiors appear more vibrant and welcoming without the need for additional lighting during the day. A thoughtful solution for brighter homes. Picture windows offer an effective way to increase natural light while maintaining visual comfort. Their large glass panels, even light distribution, and strategic placement help minimize glare. For homeowners in Coppell, picture windows provide a thoughtful solution for brighter, more comfortable living spaces, bringing in natural light while keeping interiors calm, balanced, and enjoyable every day.